These are definitely authentic. There are no worries about knockoffs or fakes here. Let's get this open and check it out. You can see it's factory sealed, so let's unseal it. Really nice feel and appearance to this box. It's got some textured material right here. This is gonna slide out. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness, check out the inside of this box. It's got some really cool high quality designs on it. Look, it's got a Pikachu in there. See a Mewtwo and a Gyarados hiding back there. Really cool. Super cool interior art design. Alright, for the uninitiated, we get a complete player's guide in here. Let's check it out. It has welcome pages. It tells us about the new Pokemon V, Pokemon VMAX, and Pokemon V-Stars. The Radiant cards are just like finding a shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Go. Very cool. It says some of the cards are actually Ditto. So if you find one that's labeled with a Ditto, you can peel it back and you'll find that he's hiding as another Pokemon, just like in Pokemon Go. It tells us that we get new combos, we can team up with trainer cards, and it even gives us a complete Pokemon Go card list. They've given me this right here to download Pokemon Go, and on the back of it, they've given me 12 in-game codes that I can use to redeem rewards in Pokemon Go on my phone. Finally, we're onto the trainer box itself. Look how shiny this thing is. So cool. All right, let's get it open. So right away I noticed that inside this box it's got this little divider system that comes in it. That's going to be a great way to keep it organized. So here we have 2 acrylic condition markers, and these feel really cool. They're durable but not heavy at all. We get a bunch of die here. We get our coin flip die here, and I like this. It's really cool. Look at the markings on it. It's just like the box. Really nice branding work done for this box set here. I love it. We also get our acrylic V-Star marker, and that looks really cool too. I like that. So let's get this stuff out already. Very necessary for the game. We're getting 45 energy cards here. Looks like we get 4 normal type energy cards, 4 water type energy cards, 5 dark type energy cards, 7 psychic type energy cards, 7 fire type, 6 fighting type, 6 electric type, and 6 grass type. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I pulled out the Mewtwo promo card. It's so sweet. I kind of just want to leave it in this package for the next 50 years though, so I'm not going to unwrap this right now. Look at this, he delivers 160 damage and you can move an energy to your benched Pokemon. Sweet. What else we got? A whole bunch of pouches here with a shiny Mewtwo on them. Just kind of separate it like that. Slide a card in like that. And there you go, we got all of our cards protected now. I got an insert with another code on the back of it here. I'm not totally sure what these are yet. I think they're going to be used down in the box like this to create little dividers between the cards. That's my guess. But they're really cool. Oh, and finally the cards are down in there. So these are not resealed packets, they're brand new. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. There's nothing else left in this box, so let's get those open. Okay, so here's what we get in pack 1. Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Steelix. That's a really cool shiny card. Oh, check it out, Melmetal V. Look how cool that card is. Got another energy card, Charmeleon, Pupitar, trainer card from Team Valor. You'll recognize Condela from Pokemon Go. And one of the in-game code cards. Pack 2, another Pikachu, same one as before. Another Squirtle, same one as before. Spinarak, Larvitar, another Squirtle, but this one's got really cool shiny features to it. See the difference from the other Squirtles? A really cool shiny Gyarados. Awesome. An energy card, Camerupt, Team Mystics leader, Blanche, and an Ivysaur. And of course another in-game code. Let's go on to pack 3. Third pack starts off with Slowpoke, found another Larvitar. We got an Apom, found another Spinarak, Rattata, Unpheasant, more shininess going on here, really cool. More shininess going on with this Venusaur, that's an awesome card. More energy, another Unpheasant, not shiny, Solrock, and another trainer card, you get a Lure module, and another card with an in-game code on the back. Let's go pack 4. Found another Wimpod, Pidove, Magikarp, found another Meltan, our first Eevee, she's so cute. Another trainer card, we found ourselves a Pokestop. Check out this awesome shiny Pikachu, and some energy for him. A Lunatone, another Pokestop, our second Lure module, and of course another in-game code. Pack 5. Numel, Raticate, Tranquil, another Larvitar, Natu. We found ourselves a shiny Spinarak. Cool. And look at this really pretty shiny Sylveon. A V-Star card. Got ourselves another Trainer Blanche. Ariados. Found an Egg Incubator. Another in-game code card. Okay, we're halfway through. Let's get the next 5 open. Another Spinarak, a second Rattata, a second Bidoof, our first Charmander, second Apom, got another shiny little card, Golisopod. Articuno, a shiny card again, really cool looking. Add it to the energy card pile. Our first Wartortle, another Pokestop, and our second Steelix. Another in-game code, number 7. Got our first Onix, another cute little Eevee, second Charmander, another Apom, finally got a Bulbasaur, got a shiny Charmeleon, really cool. Look at this slacking V card, very cool. Heavy impact, 260 damage. Downside, he's kind of lazy, so you can't attack if you have 2, 4, or 6 remaining cards. More energy. Our second Lunatone. Check it out, we got a rare candy, another Unpheasant, and an in-game code. Just 3 packs left, here's number 8. Our second Natu, got an Ambipom, our second Slowpoke, B-Barrel, another Pikachu, our first shiny Wimpod, and another shiny card Blissey. More energy, another Ariados, another Charmeleon, another in-game code. Number 9. Pikachu! More Squirtle for us. Another Bibarrel. Another Rattata. Another Numel. Really cool shiny Articuno. Legendary status. Shiny Tyranitar. More energy. Another Lunatone. Here's a Chansey. Another Ivysaur. More in-game codes. Pack 10. The finale. Our third Numel, our second Bulbasaur, a second Onix, Bibarrel, another Slowpoke, a shiny Magikarp, Mewtwo V-Star. Look at this awesome card. So cool. I might want to wrap that one up right away. There we go. Keep it safe. More energy, an Egg Incubator, a second Chansey, a second Solrock, another in-game code card. So let's wrap it up and talk about what we got. Our 4 best pulls right here were the V and V-Star cards. Obviously the promo card, the Mewtwo, the Melmetal, and the Slacking. And of course I've got these all wrapped up in the little protective cases. We also got 17 of these shiny cards, everything from a Pikachu to a shiny Pokestop. We got 2 of these Articunos, and we even got a shiny Sylveon. Again, I've got those all wrapped up inside of the cases already. And for the standard cards that we pulled out, we got lots of good pulls too. We got that V-Star card, of course, but we also got an extra 9 energy cards, and out of the 100 cards in those packs, we got 40 uniques. That included 18 doubles of things like Onix, 11 triples of cards like Squirtle, and my 1 quadruple, which was a Pikachu. We got 11 trainer cards like a Rare Candy, Condela, some Pokestops, Blanche, some Lure modules, some Egg Incubators, and don't forget the haul of in-game codes. I have 12 on the back of this one, and I got 11 of these. That means I got 23 in-game codes to redeem for rewards. So if you're looking to learn how to play and you have 2 players, this is a great way to get started because you only need 60 cards per deck and you get 145 in here. Now in that case, neither person's gonna have a fantastic deck, but if you just use this as one starter deck for one person, then it becomes a really nice deal. And if there's any negatives to this collection right here, I was just hoping that I would get a few more trainer cards, and I was really hoping to get a Ditto, but maybe next time.